To create a crown using Smart Design, click on Chairside Solution and select Create Order and Smart Design. Create a new patient, enter the name and the date of birth. Confirm the conditions and click Create. Select the upper arch from your files. Now continue with the lower. Click Proceed. The system will now generate the crown. The tooth position will be selected automatically. Select the material and the material color. Click Confirm. After receiving the design proposal, ensure that you select the Margin Line tab and check the margin line. You can simply add dots and remove them by clicking. This step is essential for a good quality margin line. You can also use the Resize function to adjust the design to your needs. Once completed, select Validate Edits. Continue with Validate and Print. You can now send the crown to your printer. The nesting and all further steps will be done directly at the printer.